Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today we're talking about the best online platform, the money making site. The name is adcoil.com. You can see here the name is adnocoil.com, best online platform. You just need your money for a short time now. Look at that. This is the interface on your screen. The adnocoil.com, best online platform. Make money easily at home now. So this is the interface. You can see first of all, I will tell you how to get your account, put email address, login password, confirm password, security password, confirm security password, IDs, WhatsApp, and then the sign up now. So when you complete whole process, you enter the website. So this is the process for registration. I hope you understand now. So you can choose the phone numbers here. Look at that. You get phone numbers here now. Put your mobile numbers, login password, confirm password, security password, confirm security password, IDs, WhatsApp, and then sign up now. So when you complete whole process, you enter the website. So now to complete sign up process, now look at that. This is the interface on your screen, and now you can see here. This is the certificate of company. Look at that. You can see here the certified company here. Now you can see. Now after complete the sign up process here, look at that. This is the interface on screen. This is our platform here. The name is adonc.com, best online platform. You just need someone for a short time now. Look at that. This is the pictures of our platform. You can see here. This is the main interface of our platform. You can see. I explain you all the details quite deeply. So now you can see company profiles, app downloads, deposit, and a withdrawal. And now the next one is VIP1 is unlocked here. For VIP1, you can see. And now a VIP2, a VIP3, VIP4, and a VIP5, VIP6 here, a VIP7, VIP8, a VIP9, VIP10 here now. All the VIP detail is locked there when you make any unlock now. And the last ones are the membership list here, the people who can earn money from website on daily basis here. The people who can get reward now on daily basis here, just join website and get reward here. The number of amounts and people details you can see. You can also join website and get reward. Check your mind options here, look at the balance, customer balance here now you can see. So let's back to home screen, and now first of all I'll tell you how to deposit. Click on deposit now. So when you enter deposit, these kind of interface on screen. And a QR code and a link here, both are used for making investment. You can see the QR code and link here. So I use the link here. With the help of this link, you make investment now. So please do not reach out non-TR20 address now. Copy the address and better personal wallet. And now better personal wallet, click on the USDT options here and the signups now. Paste the address and now enter the amount. You can see here 20 press continue. So now when you press continue, look at that, this kind of interface on screen. The 20 should transfer to your wallet. And now look at that, you can see here, the 20 USD transfer to your wallet here now. And now you can see 20 should transfer to your website wallet. So let's back to the website and confirm. After back to the website, now click the recharge complete. So when you recharge complete here and the recharge are successfully. So let's back. So after complete the recharge now, click VIP1, unlock here, click VIP1. And now you can see here, place the orders and get reward now. You can see here, go and finish the task now. It's closed successfully here under 1. Go to finish here. And now look at that here, it's successfully. So now check your balance are 25 and 26 here now. The balance are 26 now you can see. So let's back here now. I'm trying to make a withdrawal. So now you can see this is a withdrawal. So put your amount, network address, security password, and then this submit now. So now you can see we put your amount, network address, security password, and then the confirm now. It's confirm. Look at that here. You can see the withdrawal succeeded and the balance are transferred to your personal wallet address. So let's back. And now the next option are company profiles. I told you company profile details. Now you can see the company details here. You understand now. This is the company profiles here. Now Abu Dhabi next company here. And you can see one of the world's leading energy producer, major catalyst now. So let's back. And now that was our withdraw. I told you already, so let's back here, and this is the team report. Look at that, consider report here. Copy the referral link and share your friends and family circle. Someone joins your link, you can get higher amount from company. So in what people say, you can create your own team and work with the team here. When you get your team, work with the team now, you can get higher amount from company. So look at team size, team recharge, team withdraw, and new team first discharge and first withdraw. Copy the referral link and share your friend and family circle to more join so you can get higher more from company. So share your referral link here, start earning today. So you copy the referral link and what people with the help of this link you can get higher more from company. This is the team level 1, level 2, and level 3. This is the team size I hope you understand now. So next time are VIP details. This is the VIP details. My current levels are VIP 1, the task are 2, and the profits are 2 now. The VIP 2, the task are 2, and the profits are 12. And the VIP 3, the task are 2, the profits are 52 here now. The VIP 4, the task are 2, and the profits are 152 now. The VIP 5, the task are 2, the profits are 282. The VIP 6, the task are 2, the profits are 455 here. So look at that, this is the VIP details of our platform. Check your mine options and look at that. This is my account details, my investment, financial card, investment card transfer. So check your financial card here. Look at that. And the withdraw account. In the withdraw account, you can see 2 is transfer to your personal wallet. And now you can see that 2 is successfully received on my personal wallet address. Look at that. You can see 2 is received personal wallet address. So let's back. This is our platform here. The link is adonc.com, best online platform.